hello guys, welcome back to football, and today we are bringing some La Liga action. It was Madrid against Leganes, and a simple thing, Madrid is ranked 2, it is battling for of course the La Liga title. Leganes already relegation zone mein, it is an 18th ranked team. And still we had a nail biting fixture. How did this happen and what happened? Let's discuss.
Let's get into it, guys. Madrid is such a वो जो मीम्स बनता है ना कि बलराज इज सो हम्बल, मैड्रिड इज सो हम्बल कि वो आते छोटे छोटे टीम्स को बचाने देता है एंड फिर रोते रोते जीत जाते हैं. एंड इट हैड बीन हैपनिंग सिंस अ लॉन्ग टाइम यार. आई समटाइम्स फील उनका कुछ ना कनेक्शन है बिकॉज द काइंड ऑफ लक व्हिच दे हैव इन टर्म्स ऑफ फुटबॉल वो लोग निकल जाते हैं. यू आल्सो नो दैट इन टर्म्स ऑफ तो आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं फुटबॉलिंग गॉड्स का दिल जीतने के लिए ना तुम्हें ऐसे थोड़े फटके खाने पड़ते हैं, तब जाके शायद कुछ होता होगा जिस वजह से वो लोग लकीली निकलते हैं.
आई थिंक सो कि समथिंग लाइक दैट इज हैपनिंग बिकॉज़ I cannot accept the fact कि ये वही मैड्रिड टीम है जो यूरोप के बेस्ट टीम्स को नॉकआउट कर रही है वहां पे यूसीएल से, एंड देन समहाउ ला लीगा के 18 प्लेस टीम के साथ स्ट्रगल कर रही है. इट्स वेरी वियर्ड फॉर मी.
Sad मतलब a team which is on second should see, for example, our competitor Barcelona. Okay, I know Leganes भी हमारे competitor ही हैं, but बारसा से जब हम खुद को compare करते हैं, बारसा has usually won matches convincingly. And उसी जगह when I see Madrid, dude, they always struggle. Never a convincing win. There is no asset system जहाँ पे they would play a certain style of football. Individual brilliance पे ही team जीतते रहती है. For example, Bellingham and this guy, Mbappe. इन्हीं के बारे में हम सुनते आ रहे मीडिया में भी. अगर ये individual brilliance ना हो, क्या होता है ये टीम का?
True. Last match में भी वो लोग दोनों ने परफॉर्म किया. Talking about Mbappe, I think finally this player has gained a consistent form in team, and now we can actively say कि okay, one of the best players, one of the best strikers is there, and he's playing like one of the best strikers. And वो कर रहा है, वो kill कर रहा है. Even in this match, a very strong, confident Panenka, and then a very good free kick से shot जो उसने लिया.
Yes.
It was on point. 2 goals helped Madrid win the match.
I would like to put some stats over here. उसने यहाँ पे रोनाल्डो के जो goals थे वो मैच किए first season वाले. So I think it's a great start. I know Mbappe has played a good number of matches compared to Ronaldo, but that's how the football is going, or that's the direction in which football is going.
Correct.
तो expectations तो high है. Mbappe काफी sharp लग रहा है, always ready to take on players, and that's the best part about it. And trust me, I'm that delusional Real Madrid fan जहाँ पे I'm okay with individual brilliance पे मैच निकालना, but मुझे कहीं ना कहीं लगता है कि if Mbappe continues this form, Madrid would be really deadly because उसका जो वर्ल्ड कप वाला उतारा हमने देखा, single handedly वो games पलट सकता है.
I still think there is more to come from Mbappe. This is still not the France World Cup वाला Mbappe, but I think he'll come and he'll be there. On the other hand, the person who is potentially the best player in Madrid, Mr. Jude Bellingham, Mr. Consistent, यार ये बंदे ने दिल जीत लिया. He is playing just 8 on 10, 9 on 10 performances across the table. Yeah. He doesn't have a bad day.
Yeah, never. I mean, he's always over there to defend. He's always there to link attack with defense. He's always there to attack as well. Like, how can one guy play all 3 roles? He and Valverde, you could see them everywhere on the pitch.
I think he's one of those players that just reminds me of the old Madrid team that just never gives up. यार 80th minute भी है, 2 goals down है, doesn't matter, हमको पता है कुछ नोच कर लेंगे. Let's just fight till the end. He's just the proper reincarnation of those guys, and he's doing that really well.
As a Madrid fan, I'm really grateful that we got a player like Bellingham, as well as we have player like Valverde, because इनका जो efforts होता है ना, I somewhere feel that midfielders are really undervalued. Because the kind of things which these players do, as well as in Barcelona, Pedri, जो magical होता है, and it's needed, and without that, attackers won't be able to perform to their best. So I feel कि इस टाइम पे भी Ballon d'Or रेस में midfielders को उतना what we say appreciation या recognition मिले.
Correct. Agree. Completely agree. Now, talking about Leganes, the team played genuinely well. They showed us the art of counter-attacking, and उन्होंने 2 बहुत अच्छे goal score किए. It was genuinely good. I think if they would have managed the park the bus thing a bit more better, it would have been an easy 2-1 win or a 2-2 draw at the minimum.
Easily, yes.
But ठीक है, whatever it is, it was a fixture and it got its result. Talking about the competitors, Mr. FC Barcelona. And oh my god, वो team पागल हो गया. What do you think about this competitor of yours?
I mean, they are so good that you at times hate them. And to be very honest, I don't hate them. But if I look at it from Madrid's perspective, they are so good कि यार हारते ही नहीं है. And if I look at it as a neutral, I am super happy because a team performing at this level, killing it in UCL, killing it in La Liga and all the competitions. And I know even if they face Real Madrid, they are going to beat them. For sure, they're going to beat
Absolutely.
them. So if a team is performing so well, it makes me happy. And I really want them to win all the trophies that they could because they deserve this, yeah. And if I talk, what else can I talk about Barcelona? They are so good, the kind of talent which they have from Lamine Yamal to Rafinha. यार नहीं उन्हें कौन हराएगा उन्हें? There's no
Absolutely.
one.
And I think Barcelona has just proved it कि यार there is still the beauty and the magic of football that is still alive.
Yeah.
They just signed one genuinely very good manager in Hansi Flick.
Yeah.
And पता नहीं अचानक से the whole team has just gotten a full conversion. The team has gone crazy. Lewandowski is potentially going to be the Panini winner over there. Lamine Yamal is potentially Messi reincarnate. वो kill कर रहा है सबको.
सब कर ले.
Rafinha has gotten his own new wind. He's potentially the front runner for Ballon d'Or race.
Yeah, yeah.
So यार वो team पागल हो गया. If you even see their stats as of now this season, they are potentially the most dominating team in Europe.
Yes, yes. Let's see क्या होता because I am more of happy as well because Mbappe and all these players are playing really well. कहीं ना कहीं हम अच्छे की बात करें थोड़ा बहुत बुराई या फिर क्रिटिसिज्म जो होता in terms of criticism I would say कि Vinicius is not performing up to his levels. वो I think so बीच में आए थे after in the second half जहाँ पे performance was really bad. He wasn't good at taking on players. He wasn't good at passing. So when you are a player of Ballon d'Or potential or caliber we say और उसके बाद तुम next season इतना गंदा खेल रहे हो, this is not acceptable. And अगर ये ऐसे ही चलते रहा कब तक एम्बाप्पे और बेलिंगम के सर पे मतलब उनके एफर्ट्स पे जीत
I agree. And I think both Vinny and Rodrigo have these wins that happen to them. वो लोग बीच बीच में वो एक फॉर्म में आते हैं and then they just kill it for 3-4 months straight and then there is this dip. And that dip can be problematic when it is coming in such crucial part of the season जहाँ पे तुम्हारे सारे trophies close in हो रहे हैं. So God knows क्या होगा, but of course I think football is winning and I still remember there were days जब हम लोग बोलते कि यार now El Clasico is no longer El Clasico. बहुत boring हो गया. Finally at least that is no longer there. It has again become a fun event to watch and you guys tell us who you think will win UCL and La Liga.
जाते जाते बस यही गोल्स की थोड़ी तारीफ की जाए. एम्बाप्पे का पेनल्टी एक्सेप्शनल. एम्बाप्पे का सेकंड वो जो फ्री किक वाला था सेटअप ब्यूटीफुल उसने स्कोर किया यार. एंड सामने वाले टीम के गोल्स भी काफी अच्छे थे काउंटर पे जो काफी अप्रिशिएबल थे.
Garcia and Raba were on point, good goals.
ऐसी ला लीगा के एक्साइटिंग मैचेस आई होप चलते रहे एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस बिकॉज़ आई एम मोर देन एक्साइटेड टू सी रियल मैड्रिड वर्सेस बार्सिलोना इन द फ्यूचर.
Absolutely.
देखते हैं क्या होता है. सो या दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे फ्रॉम अस.
Thank you so much guys.